You ready? Take off your clothes.
Are you ready?
Andrew! Me? What you in here doing?
Andrew?
Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there, especially the single mothers. Stay strong. Full of faith. I must show my appreciation to all the mothers out there by saying a poem. So, here you go. This goes out to my mom. From day one you were there, praying over my tiny body as I sleep, feeding me, changing my nappy, making sure I was always happy. Then I grew from an infant to a child, and everybody don't know how that go. Think me get a little height and a little brains, so me start misbehave. But being the mother you are, you always put me in place. You were always there with the hottest belt out of the bunch, whether I'm outside or in the shower bed. Beating away upon nobody. Because I grew as a typical teenager where all I thought about was sex, parties, and try to look good. Remember when me did skip school, get my ass beat, snuck out of the house, get my ass beat, stole, tap back. What else did I expect? You're a strong Jamaican woman who don't take shit from nobody. You always want best for me, even if it means wearing out a couple belt, broom, stick, pot, anything you could have find your hand on.
Fix your face. Fix your face. We get something to cry for. Up and puff. You're bad. Eh? You're bad.
But you are the woman I have thanked for making me into this strong individual and making me a better person each and every day. To the best mom in the world,